Today we are going to deal with the measurement in education. So Joel Missel described measurement as a measurement of a magnitude of a quantitative attribute is an estimate of the ratio between that magnitude and whichever magnitude of the same attribute is taken as the unit of measurement. So I'm posting this video in continuation with scales of measurement so that to clear the doubt between the scales of measurement and what is the controversy related with the measurement. In any research, what we actually measure. Now, suppose if I have to measure or I have to see the concept of intelligence, what we go for is developing a construct through which we can measure the intelligence. Now, what will be the construct? It can be a spatial intelligence construct, it can be a verbal intelligence construct, it can be a non-verbal intelligence, it can be mathematical intelligence or arithmetic intelligence. So the construct according to research is the construct concept plays a prominent role in psychology and education, shaping theories about the attributes mental tests assess. But the term concept is quite ambiguous. Its sense is sometimes psychological, sometimes it is logical, or sometimes will have a confused mixture of both. What does it mean? Now we call intelligence a psychological construct or concept. Now if we are able to solve a problem, then it becomes, or a problem logically, then it becomes a logical concept. Now for measuring those concepts, we construct. So these constructs are one way of seeing those concepts. Now what is the problem in that? They are quite ambiguous because they are not defined. How they are not defined? I'm going to explain you. So the work done by S.S. Stevens on how we measure the psychological construct. So he divided the level of measurement or scales into 4 types. The first one is nominal scale. Here what we do, we go for determination of equality. Now for example, gender is a construct or it is a concept. So we want to measure the gender. The bearer or the variables in genders are male and female generally. So what does it imply? That the gender is a construct made by male and female. So we can go for number of cases, we can go for mode, contingency, correlation. So nominal means male and female, and we will provide number by ourselves. That is 1 for male, 2 for female. Second one is ordinal. Here we can determine who is greater and who is less. Now rank 1 in any classroom, if we compare with rank 2, we know rank 1 will be greater. Why? Because the maximum percentage achieved by any student got a rank 1. Now rank 2, by hearing rank 2, we can easily assess that rank 2 is greater than rank 3 and less than rank 1. So here we provide ranks, and what we can go for statistical analysis is median and percentile. Now interval scale, determination of equality of interval or differences. So we can go for mean, standard deviation, rank order correlation, product moment correlation. Now what does it mean? Now suppose a student gets a mark 80 number, another student got 90 number. So the difference between them is 10. And someone got 60 and another one, fourth one got 70. So the difference between them is also 10. So we can consider this 10 and that 10 is equal. Now the fourth scale is, which is the actual level of measurement, is determination of equality of ratio. Here we can go for coefficient of correlation. I am making you a simple example. Now suppose I am having 40 rupees and someone is having 20 rupees. So we will divide the zeros and it will be 1:2. Finally the ratio will come 1:2. What does it imply? That I am having twice as money as the person, or that person is having half the money as much as I am having. So this give rise to a certain pitfalls in education measurement. So first one is quantitative attributes such as mass and velocity, for example, are the properties of objects, events, or relation between them. It makes no sense of talking of measuring objects or events unless it is attributes of them that are measured. To define measurement, ignoring quantitative attributes ignores what measurement is of. Means, if I am measuring someone's intelligence or somebody's intelligence, it makes no sense that we are simply explaining its type. What makes the sense of my measurement is I can tell how much intelligence someone is having. Now the second one, according to Stevens, measurement involves numerals, not numbers. Numerals are the signs used to denote numbers. So what does Steven do? When we do the measurement, we give numbers. And he said we provide numerals. So number in so far as measurement is concerned are relation, that is ratio, between the magnitudes of quantitative attributes. And these relations are present, named or not. Okay, so confusing numbers with numeral is like confusing a meal with a menu. So third one is according to Stevens, measurement involves the assignment of numerals to the object or events, whereas measurement as it occurs in natural science is no more concerned with assignment than in any other cognitive act. So measurement is an attempt to come to know something, that is the ratio between a magnitude of a quantitative attributes or properties and the unit employed, and knowing is not assigning. So here what does it imply? If we know the types of intelligence and we provide number, for example male 1, female 2, so I know one is male, another one is female. I cannot assign number them because we are not measuring any magnitude. So what are we in terms of measurement at present? So measurement is done into quantifying the attributes we are missing. The measurement in psychology or education is nothing more than assigning of numerals. We are missing the exact nature of measurement in education. For example, we are simply providing the numbers, we are simply giving the numbers, we are doing the calculation on the basis, but still what we are missing, which is the basis of measurement, we still miss the unit of intelligence. We don't have any unit of intelligence. We don't have any unit of creativity. So that on that basis of unit, for example, time can be measured in second, length can be measured in meter, but if we will take intelligence, if we will take aptitude, if we will take attitude, if we will take perception, we are missing unit. That's why when we do research in education, we are capable of telling how many types of intelligence are there, or a person scores this much in the test, but we cannot assure that particular person is having this much intelligence. We can only say that in this particular test, that person got this much. Thank you for watching MindLab. We'll meet again.